Hello students and welcome to this new video. This new video is the part 6 video of our session 8 in unit 2. Our unit 2 is about web applications and the session 8 is about internet security. In this part 6 video now we are going to study about the next topic, which is security and maintenance using Windows Action Center. So first of all, let us see what is the Action Center and how it can be used for enhancing the security, for providing more security and monitoring the maintenance and security of our system. Okay. The Action Center is a feature in Windows operating system that monitors various security and maintenance related items on a computer. So what do you mean by security and maintenance related items? Security and maintenance related items means that if there is any security issue, like if the firewall is not turned on, okay, or if the antivirus is not working, if it is not updated, or if the antivirus has been disabled by the user, if there is any such problem, okay, then what will happen? It is a type of security issue, okay. Then or otherwise, if there is a maintenance related issue means what? That any software is not updated, like the antivirus may not be updated, okay, or any other software may also not be updated. So when the software are not updated, then many issues will be arising with the working and functioning of the software. So these are known as the maintenance related issues or items, okay. So if there are any security or maintenance related items which are there in a system, then what will happen? It constantly monitors those issues. It constantly checks and it consistently checks our system for these security and maintenance related issues, okay. And as soon as it detects an issue, any security or maintenance related issue, then what will happen? It will issue an alert to the user, okay. It will issue an alert to the user in such a way that the user is not disturbed, and the normal functioning or any task, any software which the user is running, it will not be stopped. It will not be stopped or interrupted, okay. Just what it will do, it will display an alert to the user, using which the user will be notified about the issue, and as soon as the user will become free from his or her work, the user can take proper steps for addressing that issue and for providing the more security and maintenance to your computer system, okay. So it helps us to keep our computer up to date. All the updation related issues are also monitored by this Action Center, and it informs us whenever there is an issue, okay, without disturbing the user. It will inform the user about any issue. It also makes it easy to find and fix problems with our computer. If there is any problem with the computer which is fixable, which can be fixed with any solution, then what will happen? It will also provide us with a solution button. What is the use of that solution button? If you click on the solution button, then what will happen? That problem will be solved. In this way, it also makes it easy for us to find and fix the problems with our computer. This is the main advantage of using the Action Center, okay. Now let us now study about Windows 7 Action Center alerts. If Windows 7 detects a problem with a security program, for example, if no firewall is turned on, if the firewall is not turned on, then it is a major security issue, okay. Because what will happen if firewall is not turned on, then any hacker may also try to gain unauthorized access to your computer, okay. So if no firewall is turned on, then what will happen? The Windows Security Center will display a notification. Windows Security Center will detect this issue, and it will display a notification on the and places an Action Center alert icon in the taskbar. Okay, taskbar, all of you know taskbar is at the bottom of your desktop, and the lower right corner of the taskbar is a area which is known as the system tray. Okay, you can all of you know the system tray is where the system tray is at the lower right corner of your Windows desktop. At that portion of the taskbar which is at the lower right corner of the bottom, it is a lower that portion of the taskbar is known as the system tray, which is at the lower right corner of the Windows desktop, okay, near the clock. So you can see this, what is there in the figure here. The black area is here the system tray. This is the black. You can see in the figure 1.90, the area which is at the lower right corner, which is displayed in the black color, that is the system tray here, okay. So in this portion of the taskbar, the Action Center will display a notification and the Action Center alert icon, okay. So what will happen if we move our mouse pointer over the Action Center flag without clicking it? If you don't click on the flag and just move your mouse pointer over it, then what will happen? A small tooltip with pop-up, okay. A small tooltip means what? A very small pop-up window will open, and what it will do? It will either tell you that there are no issues, or indicate the number of relatively minor issues. Oh, so if there are no issues, then that will also be told to you by the tooltip message. And or if there are some relatively minor issues means what? Those issues which are not very big, okay. If there are relatively minor issues, then those will also be indicated by the tooltip message, okay. So when any important security or maintenance issue first occurs, then what will happen? If there is any security or maintenance issue which is occurring for the first time, then in addition to the small alert icon which has already been placed appearing on the Action Center flag, what will happen? a notification pops up telling you about the issue. What will happen? Like for example, in here, what was this? This Windows firewall which was not turned on was a major issue. It was an important security issue. So what will happen in this case? A notification will also pop up, okay, telling you about the issue. Like here, what is the you can see the notification here has been displayed that turn on Windows firewall. So here Action Center is notifying the user that the user should turn on the Windows firewall, okay, and in some cases allowing you to fix the issue by simply clicking the notification, okay. And what will happen in some cases, it also allows us to fix the issue by just by clicking the notification. What will happen? That issue will be resolved, okay. Like here, what will happen in some Windows versions, when you click on this message, what will happen? The Windows firewall will be automatically turned on, and in some versions of Windows, this will, when you click on this notification, then what will happen? You will be shown the page of the Windows firewall in the Action Center. In the control panel, you will be shown the Windows firewall settings page, and there you can turn on your settings by simply clicking on any button or choosing any option. So in this way, you will be able to very easily resolve this issue just by clicking on this notification, okay. Now you can see we will see the steps using which we can access the Action Center. To access the Action Center from the control panel, what we can do? First of all, click on Start, then go to the control panel, then click on Action Center, or these two steps are there for opening the Action Center. First of all, go to Start, then go to control panel and click on the Action Center. Or there is one more shortcut. Actually it's a type of facilitation of searching there. What you can do, after you click on the Start button, then you have to instead of going to the control panel, what you can do, you can type ACT in the search bar. See, whenever you click on Start button, what you can see, a search bar is there, a text box is there where you can enter any program for searching, okay. All of us have seen the text box. So what you can do, you can type ACT in there, okay. When you type ACT, what will happen? The Start menu will show you the different programs which are starting with ACT at the top. The Start menu will show you all those programs which are starting with the word ACT, okay. Those programs will be shown before on a priority basis in the Start menu, okay. Then what you can do, you can easily click Action Center from the available options, and then what will happen? As soon as you choose Action Center, click on Action Center, then the Action Center window will be opened, okay. You can see here in this figure 1.91, what is there? This Action Center window has been displayed properly here, okay. So these different features we will discuss in the next video, but here what we will discuss today, we will discuss the importance of the different bars in the window, okay. So in the Action Center window, we can see different vertical colored bars with different issues. What you can see, we can see different colored bars with different which are denoting different issues. Like you can see some bars are shown here with a red color, some bars are shown with a yellow color here, okay. So the different vertical colored bars can be seen here, showing which are showing different issues. Important messages are having a red bar. Those issues which are very important, those messages are having a red bar, while those messages which are less important, okay, those issues which are less important, those will be shown with a yellow bar, okay. Those issues which are important, which will be shown with a red bar, and those messages which are, or those issues which are less important, those will be shown with a yellow bar, okay. If a security or maintenance issue has a solution, then there will be a button on the right side of the message. See, there are some issues which are also having a solution available also. So for those issues, for those security or maintenance issues which are having a ready-made solution, then what will happen? Action Center will show a button on the right side of the message for solving that also, okay. This is a solution button. You can see here, like in this case, what you can see in the security, there is security issue or virus protection, okay. So what it is showing, it is showing a turn on button. What you can do, when you click on this button, turn on now, then what will happen? The Quick Heal Total Security program will be turned on. So what will happen? The virus protection which was disabled, now it will be turned on, and the virus protection will be enabled for your system. So in this way, you can see that using these solution buttons, you can very easily solve the problem, okay. So these are very helpful for you also. The action button, if any security or maintenance issue is having a solution, like in the case we just saw, then there will be a button on the right side of the message. We have to just click on the solution button, and your problem will be solved, okay. This is in those cases where a problem is having a ready-made solution, okay. Some messages are just notifications. See, all messages are not a problem, okay. Some messages are only for notifying us, okay. Some messages are just notifications and do not indicate a problem with our computer, okay. So these messages will not include a solution button. So these messages will not have a solution button because they are not actually problems. They are just notifying us about some issue, okay. but they may still have some important information or instructions, so they should not be ignored because they may still have some important information or instruction that the system is wanting to convey to us. So we should also have a look at these notifications also. But all notifications are not problems. That is why all notifications will not have solution button with them. Okay, so those who have solution button, we can just click on the solution button and we can solve the problem. So this is a very advantageous feature for us. This is, in this way, Action Center is very advantageous and helpful for all the users. So we will end the video here only. In the next video, we will start with the next topics of Action Center. Till then, thank you and goodbye. I hope you have understood the video.